shell of the car. Look at this. My beans started to grow. And water that. My eggplant. More eggplant. Bitter melon. Pampalaya. And more pepper. Look at this, my, I don't know, flower. And this is my sponge gourd. Yan. I'm just gonna make a house. Type of gourd. I think it's upo yata yan. Oh, yan. Ayun. And the last one here is sili. May ano na ako. May garden. I have the garden. I mean, I'm just not fancy, but it's something, you know. This is the chayote. Ano yun? Sitaw. String beans. Ito siya. So, diba?